What is up, Masters? Jason here. So we're doing another technical analysis price prediction on Ethereum. So looking at the previous videos, technical analysis, looking at the Elliot Wave structure that we have, everything kind of has just been on track. And what we're seeing now is we are seeing that price pumping. We are pumping above that 50% Fibonacci level, and that is 50% from this entire run that we had seen that started from the low on June 18th. And we're using that high that we had seen on around August 13th and on into now. So we have retraced with about 50% from the price that we were. And what we're seeing now is we are seeing the price of Ethereum currently pumping a bit here. And we're seeing all crypto pumping. We have a lot of green over in the crypto market at this time. Not a lot of serious price movements, but some price movements, some things to be at least happy about. So we are seeing some pretty good pumps with Ethereum at this moment, and we are right on track to seeing the price of Ethereum be within our neutral price prediction. Now we do have that bullish price prediction that would have seen Ethereum's price going all the way back up to a price of around $2,000 by this time, but that is not the case. We have we've really retraced a lot of those gains that we had seen within this time period. Let's go ahead and dive a bit more into here. So as we do, if you don't mind, real quick, just do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now let's get into this. Now, with the crypto market on the move, we're getting close to being back at that $1 trillion market cap. So nice seeing that, and hopefully we're able to continue moving here. Now, looking over at Ethereum over these last 24 hours, up more than 5%. Nice to see that. Now, hopefully we'll be able to have better numbers over these last 7 days here if we can continue going up within the next day and continue seeing the price of Ethereum getting closer and closer to that $1,600 price, our next Fibonacci level. So as far as things are going at this moment, what we have going on is we are moving within this corrective wave right now. The price did pump to that Fibonacci level. So that $1,600 Fibonacci level is what we're working on. And what I think we're going to be seeing, since we are seeing a higher high right now than we were in the previous Fibonacci level, that we're going to be seeing this be that bull case scenario where we do see the price of Ethereum pumping and taking us within the next 5-wave structure. Now, here on the hourly chart, more than likely we are going to be seeing this corrective wave play out, very similar to how I did put it in here, as you can see. But what I think that we're probably going to see, if we can continue this bullish momentum that we are seeing within the crypto market right now, I mean, we're getting closer and closer and closer to the Ethereum merge. As long as everything goes well with that, I mean, we can expect that over these next couple weeks here. So we're leading into that right now, and we're showing the possibility of this being a bullish run that we could be leading into, and we have a lot of things to really look forward to. I mean, we just got over some bad news. We just got over all that FUD from the federal government talking about interest rates, inflation, and we knew all that stuff. We've been having that stuff priced in to the crypto market. It's been priced in for a long time. We knew that all this stuff is coming. So a lot of that's already priced in. And what we have seen already, we do see these overcorrections that do happen, and we see these large dips, and then we start seeing the price start to correct back. But there's always going to be pullback. There's always going to be profit taking. So that's something that's going to continue to happen. So even if we do go back and retrace all those this last 2 weeks here, and we get back to that $2,000 level, there's still that possibility that at any point there's going to be a large amount of profit taking, because all it really takes is some good selling off to happen, and then more and more people are going to start doing so as well, because there's that knee-jerk reaction that people do. So we could be seeing so many different things happening, but let's just play with this idea here that we're going to be seeing another bull run within Ethereum leading into that Ethereum merge, and what's going to happen as we get through this. So let's just play with the idea that we're gonna see this first wave take us out of this Fibonacci level. And then from there, that possibility that we would be seeing the price of Ethereum, retracing all this, the previous 5-wave structure, retracing that whole thing, and then taking us back to that $2,000 price, breaking through that $2,000 price possibility. And now we wouldn't hit that within our original price prediction that we have in here, but that possibility of being able to see that a week later or 2 weeks from that as something that could be a real possibility. Seeing that come sometime mid-September, closer to that Ethereum merge, somewhere around there or somewhere after that first week of September. So let's just play with this idea and look at that possibility of this first wave being something that could be long and take us all the way into that second Fibonacci level, kind of just matching where our fourth wave was on that previous Elliot Wave structure, and then seeing that come down and then breaking through that next Fibonacci level as a possibility. And then from here, we have our wave 1, our wave 2, our wave 3. Say if our wave 3 was to get up to that $2,000 price, then we see it correct. And then our wave 5 had that possibility of just breaking through that and then taking us back into previous levels that we had seen with Ethereum. I mean, that's something that we could possibly be seeing. Now, it's definitely worth keeping in mind that this $2,000 price that we're seeing with Ethereum, where it's having trouble getting over, that was the price that Ethereum was at before we had seen it have this big decline in its price. We were seeing Ethereum in the second quarter of this year be at this level. It dropped from the beginning of the second quarter down into the price of around $2,000. And then as we got into the third quarter, that's when things then got more bearish, and we had seen the price of Ethereum drop even more. So as we're finishing out this third quarter, we're starting to see this retracement with Ethereum and other cryptos as well. And what I'm thinking that we could be seeing, because I know I'm sounding very bullish here, is we could start seeing the price of Ethereum retracing where it was in that second quarter, is what I'm thinking that we could be seeing as far as a further out bullish case scenario. And I'm, of course, talking about end of the year level, not saying that we're going to see the price of Ethereum going back to its all-time highs anytime soon. Of course, eventually, but possibly not this year. But I think that there's that high possibility that we would see Ethereum at some point as we do finish out this year, especially within that fourth quarter of this year, seeing how, just like we had seen last year in October, November, and December, where we were seeing the price of Ethereum just have this big run as it did finish out the month of September. So if we can repeat that, then I think that we have a good chance with Ethereum of at least getting us back to these levels. But I know I'm rambling on a lot from here and probably going into way of an over prediction, but I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys think that this is something that we could be seeing? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.